The video opens with a montage promoting Nicolet College's Automotive Technician program. Quick cuts show tools, engine parts, and a spacious auto shop where students work on vehicles. A uniform patch reading Nicolet College Parts Technician identifies the program. Shift your automotive career into high gear. Master quality auto repair and maintenance. Service cars in a student-run auto shop. More text appears. Tech savvy? Enjoy hands-on work? This is your program. The Nicolet College logo appears, a white leaf silhouette inside a gold circle.